The moment I look at you, I can't see else any longer. The moment you smile with me, I can't breathe any longer. The moment you hold my hand, I can't move any longer. The moment you come to me, I can't think any longer. The moment you talk to me, I can't speak any longer. The moment you touch me, I can't feel ills any longer. I will always fall for you, just like the moon and sun. I will always cry for you, just like the baby and mum. I will always hold you, just like the rain and sand. I will always rush to you, just like the wind and run. I will always love you, just like the shore and ocean. One word that changed the meaning for things. One word that shifted in the pace. One word that changed it all that I wish to say. One word that has changed my life. One word has changed all good for me. My love is forever there to see. My love will never change in life. It will stay this way forever to see. Baby, I am so in love with you. Baby, yes, I am in love with you. I love you. It's the feeling of your love that melts my heart all the way. It's the feeling of your kiss. This set my pulse on fire. I just want to tell you, my love, that your love takes me higher. There is a magical feeling with you. When you come close to me this way, I get lost in your thoughts each day. Baby, I am in love with you. Love is passionate and love is so true. I never really felt this way for anyone. I never really felt this way for someone. I have a feeling so pure for you, as if you were made for me, my love. I want to be with you all day long. I want to spend lots of time beside, so that I can feel the love that I can simply see in your eyes. If this is love, is all I want to say, then it is surely the day I want to confess it to you. That baby, I am in love with you. Words cannot simply express the feelings of my heart, my dear. Words cannot express what I feel for you. Words simply cannot express the hidden emotions of love in my heart. You are and will remain special in my life. You are and will remain special all along. Baby, just want to tell you that I am so in love with you. Do not change the way you are. Be like that shining star who brightens my life with love. Baby, I love you a lot from my every thought.